ATSG incoming! Attack mode!
Get wrecked, boy!
You know what? You're an asshole. Just let that sink in! Oh shit, I tried to throw a sink at you.
Bye! Yeah, you know me. Hey, bye!
Jake, sit in this seat.
I kinda don't want to sit in, I want to play with my rocket tub.
Octavus, look at this. Whee! Look at the mattress. It's sex in the sky.
Mike, come here. It's Gordon Freeman and Alex.
Oh my god, Octavus, look. Ready? This
What you say?
I fucking hate you. Woo! This is Prop Surf 101. Fuck!
This is Prop Surf 105.
Brandon's really good at prop surfing. Watch him do this.
Wow.
Hey Austin, can
Holy
you, like,
shit!
had him,
Oh my god, it's a giant robot.
Oh my god, it's gonna fall! It's
Prop kill activate.
Ace. What is that?
make my
No! No! No!
Where'd it go?
It worked. Oh my god, it's a chili ring. Cause I love
What's
you.
what you just said, Mike?
What is nothing. Ah,
Smike.
stop!
Just call him Smike. You called him Spike?
Chili ring!
Okay, you really would have probably.
No! No! No!
Got the worst.
Mike, look, chili ring. Your boxes suck.
What's up, Austin?
I'm King Vortigaunt.
Holy shit! Do you see this globe? Eat my
yeah.
shit.
See this?
Stop! I'm making a fort. You guys are uninvited. Oh my god, Octavus, no. Wait, what is that? Are those bombs? Yes. Yes.
No, they're
yes.
power-ups.
Ow! Doesn't really feel very powerful.
That gives you a 1-up like in Mario.
Oh my god, it does. It's amazing.
I made a helicopter.
I'm gonna place a whole bunch of bombs everywhere just in case we need to self-destruct.
There's an intruder. His name's Hooligan. Go kill him.
Stop! Open the door, let me in. Get wrecked. Holy shit, what did you- Oh my god!
That's my helicopter.
Come back! Wait, I wanna get inside, ready? Holy shit! What? Get wrecked in 3, 2, 1.
Wow, you tell me out. He's trying to do something.
Octopus. Octopus.
God damn, it smells like fucking stink bug up here. Ugh.
I don't trust you
That felt like
guys.
goddamn stink bug.
Oops, sorry,
My
that
trust
was-
for you is at absolute fucking
That was
zero.
an actual accent because I'm like shooting everywhere.
Racist!
I am being serious. That was an actual accent.
Racist! Racist! Racist!
Hey, Mike.
What?
You see that glitch at spawn?
Yeah, go to it. There's a glitch in spawn.
I don't fucking trust you guys, not after that keyboard shit.
No, I'm being serious. There's a glitch in spawn right now.
You know what? And there's also birds and trees and fucking bears and forests, but I'm not gonna go over and look at them.
There's a glitch. Seriously.
Holy shit!
What?
I know your trickery.
I'm not tricking anything.
I'm laying on my fucking bed right now because I'm upset.
I'm sorry.
No!
I'm sorry.
No!
I'm sorry.
No!
I'm sorry.
I made birds to make the world more interesting.
Holy shit. Oh my fucking god. There's so many of them.